One of the things you guys wanted me to record more of were retouching videos. And so here goes some sort of retouching tutorial or just demonstration or whatever. This is from the photo shoot for Valentine's Day that me and Tanya, or Amanita Thorne, did a couple of weeks ago, 1 week ago maybe. Here you see the original photo straight out of camera. And here's the same photo. Here's the same photo with grading and some exposure magic going on. And over we go to Photoshop. So here's the photo unretouched. As you see, Amanita has got marvelous skin, so there's really not that much to do. But I usually start out with some healing tool, just take care of some blemishes, and I usually try to think that stuff that's not permanent I take away without any doubt, or miscolorations or stuff like that. Pimples, having a bad skin day. I do not take away birthmarks unless asked to, of course. Or just stuff that pops out on me that does not seem to be permanent. I think I'm sort of good here. Yeah, I saw it. We're gonna go back to this part in just a while. I'm just gonna go over the rest of her, just see. Nothing that sticks out. I might take care of some of this. It's tiny stuff, but if you take care of some of it, it sort of gives a slightly more polished appearance when the photo is finished. This is one of the things I think I'm going to leave in there because I think it adds to the overall. Yep, that's about it. Let's see down here. No, I don't think so. Yeah, we have some sort of issue here with the lip line. Can't really tell, but I think it's some smeared lipstick. I don't think it's a sore. So I'm gonna use a technique by awesome retoucher Natalia Taffarel, who I have learned a lot of techniques by online. I have made an action. I created one empty layer set to darken mode and one empty layer set to lighten mode. And then I use the stamp clone stamp tool, whatever it's called. And on the lighten layer, I use the blend mode. You guessed it, lighten. And then I go over the outside part of the lip line. I'm just gonna adjust the size of my brush or my tool a bit. And as you see, it takes away, but also, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about the lightness that happened there. We might try to go from the other way. So I'll just go from this side and just go over that's better. And if the lipstick was somehow smeared or has lost some color on the inside part of the lip, I go to the darken layer and I switch the blending mode to darken, and then I just clone and stamp here as well. If I was doing like high-end retouching, I would probably go over all of the lip line now I just wanted to fix this problem area. I'm just seeing maybe I want to adjust. There might be a little bump. Yeah, that's better. Also, I'm seeing some shadow underneath the lip. Also, I'm seeing that the transition from a darker part of the skin to a lighter part of the skin might be a bit too sudden. So I'm going to do a dodge and burn group. This panel is from Retouching Toolkit by Conny Wallström, fantastic retoucher and overall tech wizard that has made some of the best tools that is out there. Can't recommend them enough. So in dodge mode, brush set to low flow. I will just go over the shadow part underneath the lip here. Some of the other photos in this series, it's been way more prominent than here, but just want to even things out. And then I go to the burn mode and I'll just see if I can soften the transition here just a little bit. Yeah, that looks better. At least I think so. If we wanted to, we could plump up the lip a little bit just by dodging in the middle of the lip to brighten the highlights just a little bit, and then go over to burn, do the inside part and the outside part. And here we go. Let's plump it up just a little bit. I think that's it as far as like skin retouching goes. Mostly what I would do now is just go over again with dodge and burn, just work on some sculpting and do some more highlights up here in the bangs, nose bridge, chin. Make sure the eyelids pop. I mean, look at the makeup. Isn't that awesome? I really, really love this makeup. Made by Amanita herself. I have the light coming in from this side, so maybe I would just like suggest a Rembrandt highlight here on the other cheek. I don't think I'm gonna do too much. There might be some small things I want to do on this side, just even it out a bit, you know. When you start noticing things, it's hard to let them go. I think that's quite enough. Another tip is to zoom out a lot. Look at before and after, because it's way too easy to overdo things. And also I'm just gonna exaggerate some of the existing highlights, you know, make things pop just a little bit. Some more 3D feeling. And I do the same with the shadows with the burn tool. Also here in the shadow parts, sculpt the face just a little bit. Also with the hair, crap. Like this. Also I might just push the highlights just a little bit. Other parts of the hair to make the curls a bit more visible. And here we go. And I think I will call that done. So there you are. Hope you learned something or got some techniques to think about. Once again, Natalia Taffarel with the lip technique and Retouching Toolkit, Conny Wallström for the toolkit here. Thanks for watching.